So, how may SoftBank cope with the rising China regulatory risks on the tech behemoths? Do they have much leeway here?
Yes, I think they do have some leeway there. Although the fact that SVF1, the first vision one, was mostly invested already, the $100 billion, they used up more than 80 or even 90%, and they need to reserve some to pay preferred dividends. But then for the second one, they have a lot of leeway. And as we observe, in fact, in the June quarter, the allocation of the funds becomes smaller for each investment size. It's about 200-something million. They already have 50 portfolio companies invested in the June quarter, and that is a lot given the size is only about 13 billion versus the first vision fund, which they had more than 80 companies invested. And then secondly, I would say that the other way, if I can just talk about the investment phases also. Now that the investment exit would be more difficult through IPO, they could use, they can get involved in the earlier stages. For example, in the Series A or Series B financing round, if they get in earlier. And then when it comes to those unicorns, raising new money, they can also reap some investment gain. So not necessarily on IPO exits.
Right. So I'm, of course, wondering how the strategy would change in light of everything that's going on with China. But what other changes do we expect to see from Vision Fund 1 to Vision Fund 2?
Yeah, so I highlight the investment size would be getting smaller. They would probably refrain from putting big bets in China. At the same time, we also see geographically they are more diversified now. We believe that probably Latin America or Southeast Asia would be the countries that or the markets that they focus more on. And even in South Korea, last week we heard the news that the top travel app company just got 1.7 billion investment funding from the second vision fund. So we would not rule out the possibility that they want to replicate the success of Coupon and also Jolla. They are both focusing to expand in Southeast Asia, given their success in South Korea.